My fight for justice. After unfair hospital dismissal. In June 2024, I walked into St. Luke's Hospital, where I'd been a dedicated nurse for over 6 years, expecting another challenging but fulfilling shift. Instead, I was blindsided by an accusation that would derail my career and spark a battle for justice that I'm sharing here to inspire others and expose workplace wrongs. If you find my story compelling, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and check out the resources linked in the description for support on workplace rights. My journey began with a routine shift in the ER. I loved the chaos of emergency care, helping patients in crisis, working alongside a tight-knit team, and earning trust through compassion and skill. I'd received glowing reviews and even a Nurse of the Month award in 2023. But on June 15th, 2024, everything changed. I was summoned to HR and confronted with a vague allegation of patient misconduct from an incident in the ER. The HR director claimed a patient accused me of being unprofessional during a high-pressure night. I demanded details, but they offered none, sending me home pending investigation. A week later, a termination letter arrived. It accused me of inappropriate behavior toward a patient, citing an incident where I allegedly ignored a patient's pain. My heart sank. I remembered the night in question, a hectic shift where I'd stabilized a patient, Ms. Carter, with a broken leg, ensuring she got pain relief and care. There was no misconduct, and I had witnesses. Yet the hospital fired me without a proper investigation, reported me to the nursing board, and threatened my license. I later learned they were deflecting blame for systemic issues like understaffing and poor patient satisfaction scores. The betrayal stung. I'd poured my heart into that job, only to be discarded like a liability. Worse, the accusations spread like wildfire in my community. Friends distanced themselves, and I overheard whispers at the grocery store. She mistreated a patient. Sleepless nights and anxiety became my norm, but I refused to let a lie define me. I decided to fight back, not just for myself, but for anyone facing workplace injustice. I hired an employment lawyer, dipping into my savings to cover the costs. We demanded hospital records, including patient charts, witness statements, and security footage from the ER. The hospital resisted, citing privacy concerns, but my lawyer was relentless. Meanwhile, I connected with advocacy groups for unfairly dismissed workers. Links to these are in the description. Their support kept me grounded as I faced months of uncertainty. The breakthrough came in September 2024 when we secured the ER footage. It showed me responding to Ms. Carter's needs promptly, coordinating with a doctor, and even comforting her. The patient's chart confirmed I'd followed protocol, and Ms. Carter herself provided a statement praising my care. Armed with this evidence, we filed a wrongful termination lawsuit, alleging the hospital fabricated the accusation to protect its reputation amid state inspections. The legal battle was brutal. The hospital's lawyers painted me as unreliable, even dragging up a minor scheduling dispute from years ago to tarnish my character. But the truth held strong. In March 2025, a judge ruled in my favor, citing the hospital's failure to provide evidence or due process. I was awarded compensation for lost wages and emotional distress, and the nursing board cleared my record. It was a hard-won victory, but the scars remained: lost trust, strained relationships, and a career I loved in tatters. This fight taught me the power of resilience and the importance of standing up to powerful institutions. I'm now working at a community clinic, rebuilding my confidence, but I'll never forget how a false accusation nearly destroyed me. I'm sharing this on YouTube to connect with others facing similar battles and to urge you to know your rights. If you're in a similar situation, don't give up, document everything, and seek legal help. Please like this video if it resonated with you. Subscribe for more stories of perseverance, and check the description for resources on workplace rights. Together, we can hold employers accountable and fight for justice.